this CD is actually the part of the project of our sistering organizations. As you might know, we are, you as a Spanish Young Greens, with us as a Serbian Young Greens, we become a sistering organizations in 2006 in Federation of Young European Greens in general, and since then we are trying to organize a joint project. This CD is made in a sense of get to know each other a bit better, and we want to present you our organization, our members, our way of working, our actions, and through this CD I hope you will get a picture of Serbian Young Greens, and hopefully we will meet you maybe soon in personal, but for now this is all we can offer you. Goodbye!
Hi, my name is Nikola Mladenovic and I'm a spokesperson of Serbian Young Greens and also of course a member of main board. And I will try to explain you in short what are our future plans for the rest part of the year. And as I said, I will try to speak not so much into detail, but only in the sense what are we going to work on in the future period. First of all, we are going to work on capacity building because we see it as one of most important things for all organizations, because it's crucial to have a knowledge about certain issue, so you could better define problems and find as much good solutions as possible on it. The second thing we are going to work on is the question of activism, which is of course one of the basic principles of our organization. And now in the moment in the Serbian society there are few discussions, public discussions related to this issue, so we think that now is a really good moment and important moment to focus on this question actively. Next thing is work on the environmental protection and of course human rights, because these two in general are one of main basic green principles, and we want to focus on them through internal education and also through some external activity. The second or the fifth thing is the green economy, because in the moment there are a lot of problems that have quite a lot effect on the whole population, human population, and they are more or less related to the economy, and it's impossible to give good solutions if the problems are not seen from the perspective of economy. So we see the solution in the green economy as one of the most effective ways. And the last thing is the work on actual problems, so the problems in the moment in society, because it is really important to give adequate answer on the current problem, no matter if they are on national, international, or of course on local level, because we don't want to miss the chance to react on something that we see as really important, because we have some general plan and general tendencies for the certain period of time. That would be all for my presentation of our future work, as I said in short. And I didn't want to go into details and some specific activities because it wouldn't have much sense.
Hello Young Greens from Spain, my name is Milan, obviously from the Serbian Green Youth. I'm in the main board of our organization, and I'm the coordinator for promotion and multimedia. I would like to send you like a message about our green economy activities that we had in the previous months and that we are going to finish in like 2 months in July. Why green economy? This is definitely a topic that is really important today, and our organization started talking about it somewhere in January of this year, and we decided to dedicate a set of lectures held by our organization members concerning green economy. I'm one of the people who from the main board who actually organized these things. The last lecture, this is a fun fact, is on my birthday on the 29th of June. I really don't know why would that be of any interest to you, but hey, I just wanted to mention it. I am going to talk something about corporate social responsibility, other people are going to talk about the laws that support green economy in Serbia. We had some topics about green jobs, about renewable energy sources, about recycling, water recycling, and other topics as well. We organized the seminar in Krivaja, where Hector was. I met Hector, so hi Hector. Maybe you remember me from the seminar in Krivaja. I was the person that was left behind by the representatives of our Ministry for Environmental Protection. I like to say that Hector is a very interesting person. So I had like 5 minutes to talk to him, and he left a really good impression. Our organization was in the preparation team from this seminar. I think it went really well. I listened to some lectures because I had nothing else to do while I was waiting for the next bus, but hey. Maybe, I don't know if you were on in our street action that was on the last day of the seminar. It was very nice. We had like little people windmills with actual windmills on their backs, which had topics about some fun facts about the green economy for renewable resources. And I wasn't on the street action, but as I heard, it was a great success. And all the participants had a great time.
Hi, Spanish Green Youth. We are Marina and Mladim. We are members of our EC, and we have a very funny situation. We are 2 members and we have 2 different factions, but we are working together in the same faction, and dividing jobs depend on our free time.
Okay, I will tell you about international coordination first. There is Federation of Young European Greens. We are full members. Our members are very active, for example in Green Economy Workshop, also organizing seminars. About a month ago we had a seminar organized here in Serbia, and we also had representatives on the General Assembly of FIEG. CDN-ISBL is Cooperation Development Network of Eastern European Organization. We are one of the founders of that network. Some of our members are also members of this network's EC. We share office with CDN and have very close cooperation and communication with them due to that. On our domestic level, we have very close cooperation with some organization, for example, International Student Week in Belgrade. Our members are doing some workshops during that summer student festival. Also with one organization that deals with children who live on the street. We are trying to establish very good cooperation with them, and every other organization that deals with similar subjects like we do and have similar ideas. We are very pleased to have you as our sister organization, and we hope that we will have closer communication, cooperation in the future. And now Marina will tell you something about educational part.
Okay. About education, we have education on our internal level. In past few years, we deal more about our internal education to just have a member that have a very good knowledge about the green idea, so it will be more easy to expand them and to share with the other people. Now, then, when we have a solid number of the members, we start with the open education. We have a lecture about the green economy one time during the week, and about the human rights.
Participacije za generalno studentike iz Istočne Evrope, pa onda ako neko baš hoće da bude tamo, nije problem nikakav, pa ćemo da pokušamo to nekako da sredimo, pa razmislite do neke nedelje ili sine.
Hi, my name is Zelena. I came to the Serbain Geen Youth 2.5 years ago, and the way I came was that I saw on the internet site that the meetings were free, and I decided to come and have a look at what it's like. I had always been interested in ecology, so I was really happy to find some people here in Serbia who were willing to work on those subjects and to have the enthusiasm. And I really liked the meeting the first time, and the people I met here were my kind of people, I guess I could say. I met people who were thinking about the same things that I was thinking about, who wanted to change some things in the world, who were willing to do something, to be creative, to go out on the streets, to talk to people, to consider various subjects. And I had a lot of fun. There were a lot of street actions that we did, and I stayed here for the last 2.5 years. A lot of things have changed, but I still like it, and I still come here, and we're mostly friends here, which is really important, and we share our values, we share our enthusiasm, and we also get to know each other really well and get to work as a team, which I find is really important for the way we work, and it's really important if we want to make some sort of change. And I'm really happy. I've been able to find out what it is that we can change and what it is that we can't change, maybe, but that we can accept and work with that on that level. So I've gained a lot of experience, which I think would have taken me many years in life to see how things work and what the way to, how the world works and how things can change. There have been times when I've been really disappointed about our work, and when I thought nobody's doing the right thing and how can people work like that, and there's no point to this, like, why are we doing anything? And that lasted for a while, but I think the people around me and I myself have found a way to understand things better and to see that there actually is a point, that enthusiasm and energy and motivation and knowledge and commitment count, and they can make a change. and they do make a difference, and we are doing something, and that there are different ways to act, and you can always say something that you think is wrong, and other people will hear what you say even though they might not do exactly what you thought they should do. So the people that surround me have been really valuable in the process of my learning all these things. And if it weren't for them, I think I wouldn't have changed personally as much. But I realized that the people have their own thoughts and their own values, and that we can each look at each other's views and try to find what's best in them, and then understand the problems better.
Hey everybody, I'm Mirjana from Serbain Geen Youth. I just wanted to say that I'm really glad and really happy because the first project that was denied didn't stop us from taking another action, and I really hope that this time we will be more successful, and I'm really happy that the project that was rejected didn't discourage us from trying again. And actually, I only wanted to mandar-lhes beijos e dizer-lhes que espero que nos vemos pronto.